Hello everyone, welcome to Suma School English channel. Today topic is very important for SSC, banking, railway, police, TET and other competitive exams. Today we will learn the easiest tricks on the largest and smallest numbers and solve previous exam model questions. Watch till the end because last question is very tricky questions. First question, what is the difference between the smallest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number? Option 1, 10, 100, 1000. Pause the video and select the answer. First, identify the smallest 6-digit number. A 6-digit number starts from, what is the trick? Smallest number 1, remaining 5 digits are zeros. Okay, read this number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. So the smallest 6-digit number is 1 lakh. Now identify the largest 5-digit number. Largest means all numbers 9. So 5 digits 9. So write here 99999. Read this number: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 99,999. What is the question? What is the difference between the smallest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number? So difference means subtract. Okay. Subtract here all zeros. So here to get 10, borrow here. Remaining all are 9s. So 10 minus 9, 1. 9 minus 1, 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. 9 minus 9, 0. Here 1. Here also 0. So what is the difference between smallest 6-digit number and largest 5-digit number? 1 is the answer. Where is that option? A option is the correct answer. Remember this shortcut. The difference between the smallest n-digit number and the largest n-1 digit number is always 1. I am writing here the shortcut. See this shortcut? The difference between the smallest n-digit number. Smallest n-digit number means smallest 6. N means 6. 6-digit number, and n-1 means 5-digit number. Largest 5-digit number always 1. For example, n is 5, n-1 is 4. So 5-digit smallest number and largest number 4-digit. The difference between the two numbers is always 1. First question, difference. Second question, sum. What is the sum of a smallest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number? Write both numbers. 6-digit smallest number, 5-digit largest number. In previous question, we see the difference. Now addition. The sum means addition. The sum of a smallest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number. Add 1 lakh plus 99,999. Sum 1,99,999. Now see the third question. Find the difference between the largest 6-digit number and the smallest 6-digit number. See options. So what is the largest 6-digit number? Both are same digits. So largest 6-digit number is, apply the trick. 6-digit means 6 9s here. Okay. Smallest 6-digit number is 1, remaining all zeros. Okay. This is smallest 6-digit number. This is the starting number of the 6-digit. This is the ending number of the 6 digits. What they asked here? Difference. So difference means subtract. Simple and easy. Here 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9 minus 0, 9. 9. 9. 9 minus 1. How much? 8. This is the answer. Okay. Read the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs. 8,99,999. Option B is the correct answer. Next, fourth question. See, how much should be added to the largest 5-digit number to get the smallest 6-digit number? How much should be added to the largest 5-digit number to get the smallest 6-digit number? Options 0, 1, 2, 3. Largest 5-digit number is, so 5 digits all are 9. Okay. Largest numbers all are 9s. So largest 5-digit number is 99,999. Smallest 6-digit number is 1. Remaining all are zeros. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So read this number. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 1 lakh. 1 lakh. 99,000, 1 lakh. What they asked? What they asked in the question? This is the question. Observe this question. First question and this question is the same, but they asked a different manner. See, how much should be added to the largest 5-digit number and the smallest to get the smallest 6-digit number? See, first question. What is the first question? What is the difference between the smallest 6-digit number and the largest 5-digit number? These both questions are same, but they asked some tricky. See, largest 6-digit number and largest 5-digit number and smallest 6-digit number. So answer is 1 is the answer. So where is that answer? Option B is the answer. See one more question, fifth question. Find the difference between the smallest 7-digit number and the largest 6-digit number. Options 0, 1, 10, 100. Pause the video and tell me the answer in comment section. Smallest 7-digit number. What is the trick to smallest number? Write 1 and the remaining all zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the 7-digit smallest number. And largest 6-digit number is 6-digit, 6 nines here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Read the numbers. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, lakhs, 10 lakhs. 10 lakhs minus ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, lakh. 9,99,999. What they asked in questions? Difference. Difference means subtraction. In international model, you read the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, million. So this is the 1 million, and ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, 100,000. 999,999. Difference. See difference. So 1 is the answer. Shortcut. We see in the first problem. See what is that shortcut? The difference between the smallest n-digit number. Smallest n-digit number. Apply here. The smallest n-digit number. What is the smallest n-digit number? 7 digits. And largest n-1 digit. n-1 means 7 minus 1, 6 digit. That difference always 1. So here option is B. Remember the shortcut. The difference between the smallest n-digit number and the largest n-1 digit number is always 1. See another question. Sixth question. Largest 5-digit number plus largest 4-digit number. Both are largest numbers. I am writing here directly. Largest 5-digit number means 5 digits 9. And the largest 4-digit number means 4 digits 9. So read the number 99,999 plus 9,999. So add 9 plus 9 18. 8 here. 1 up. 9 plus 9 18 plus 1 19. Here also 19. Here also 19. And again up 1. 9 plus 1 is equal to 10. Read the number ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 1 lakh. 1 lakh 9,999. In an international system, 109,998. This is the largest 5-digit number plus largest 4-digit number answer. Remember all shortcuts. That shortcut saves time in competitive exams. Now answer the question in the comment section. The question is, answer this question in the comments. Pause the video and comment your answers. If you found the class is helpful, like the video, share it with your friends, and subscribe Suma School English channel for more competitive maths tricks. Thank you.